Welcome to Tekedia Daily. Ndubuisi, Ekekwe. A conversation today will focus on the duality element, how great products are also great platforms. You know, um, One of the most fascinating things in the technology space today is this capability that we are seeing increasingly platforms. It used to be products, that thing that you sell and customers buy. They buy them and they are gone. But building products in this time is not necessarily the best way that you can actually build competitive advantage in the market. You have to do something more than just building products. You have to build platforms. When we are building a house, we have platforms which help us to go through the construction process. The implication of that is that a platform is a system upon which you can build great things on top. Just like when you are building a house, the carpenters use a platform, the bricklayers use a platform. And as they continue to make that house, different things can be built on top of that platform. So we use the same thing in software, using software, building a platform upon which other frameworks can be built upon. But today I'll be focusing on the business operating framework or platform. Our companies like Amazon engineer the technologies using the construct or platform so that no matter what happens in the future, they can rewire the logic upon which those platforms are built to serve new customer base. From books to video to anything that comes, Amazon is ready for it. And the first thing you understand, just like we have in Facebook, that they have a product first, and that product is also a platform. Facebook and the app is a product, and the app is also a platform. Because upon that app, you can also build other interconnected products, which can also feed and depend on that app to run. MySpace did not have that capability. MySpace was only a product, it wasn't a platform because people were not able to build plugins, build other technologies, and integrate them into MySpace. And Facebook made that possible. And because Facebook made it possible, that Facebook has this regenerative capability that it can continue to evolve as market needs arise. Initially, it was just a text-based platform. It moved into video, it moved into messaging, and it continues to add new features, products, and services upon that platform. The duality element, that is where the business is going. It goes beyond understanding the possibilities of your business today and tomorrow to the future. It's about building a logic system that no matter what happens, you can go back and rewire those architectures in order to serve the evolving market that comes. But the product is wired, and once it's wired, it's fixed. You can't do anything about it. But the platform is a logic system. It could be the process logic, it can be the integration logic, it can also be decision logic. And as the markets change, evolve, you change those logic in the platform. Products are static and they fade over time. And when you have a platform, it means that you have customers. You're not just dealing with consumers because they keep coming back. And I'll just take from Tekedia, Wikipedia to tell you about the Facebook platform. It's an umbrella term used to describe a set of services, tools, and products provided by the social networking service Facebook for third-party developers to create their own applications and services that access data in Facebook. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. It has built this ecosystem that makes it possible that third-party applications can run on Facebook. The current Facebook platform was launched in 2010. The platform offers a set of programmable interfaces and tools which enable developers to integrate the open social graph or personal relations and other things like song, places, and Facebook pages. Standard websites and services, the likes button you see across all the social media ecosystems. Whether you go into a WordPress blog, the likes you see, comments powered by Facebook, all those things have been made possible because of Facebook platform. Without that, it wouldn't have been possible. And I'll tell you something, people. Make 2018 the year of platforms. because that's where the opportunity lies. The companies that are built on platforms are some of the most valued technology companies on earth today because they generate this virtuous cycle, virtuous cycle that makes it possible for us to have what they call a positive continuum of a network effect. As more people come into that platform, great things happen. Experiences of customers improve because more data improves the services. And as those services improve, it attracts more people. That becomes a continuum. It can only happen in a platform. It doesn't happen in products. That is the reason why companies like IBM, they look very old because they are product companies. The platform companies rule the way. Get it? Good luck. Have a great 2012, 2018. Get listening to Tekedia there.